All right, so as usual, guys, this time I'm going to make at least $3,000. So, uh, yeah, if my prediction is right, I'm having this signal. So I'm trying to share it with you, this signal, and I'm trying to make. So if my prediction is right, I'm going to make at least $2,000 because I'm having a prediction of more than 9 candles. So the exact prediction of more than 9 candles. So as usual in this strategy, in this video, sorry, I use my own strategy. All right, in my own strategy, I use, as you can see, the parabolic SAR. Yeah, I use Bollinger Bands. In this case, I use RSI, and I use, of course, the chart patterns explained in the course. There's plenty of chart patterns. I use all the chart patterns. So as predicted, this one is going up. As you can see, I'm using $200. So $200 here. If my prediction is right, I'm going to make $172 with 86% profit. Yeah, so this is binary option. Either you choose buy, so either you choose buy or sell. If you think that the market is going up, you buy and then you sell at higher price. Or if you think that it's going down, like in this case, I was sure that the market is going up. So yeah, two green candles were created, and let's stick with only $200. All right, let's stick with only $200. Let's see. So as you can see here, uh, the market here is creating another uptrend. Um, if you've been following my strategy, you know that this here in this case is a good signal. So yeah, look at the Bollinger Bands, look at the colors of the candles. So yeah, here also a good signal. Yeah, so 5 candles, 6 is red. So yeah, also this one is going up. So yeah, my prediction, I guess my prediction is right. So yeah, as expected, um we already made $300, I guess. Yeah, more than $300. Yeah, this one is 100% going down. All right, this one is going down. So as predicted, I believe that this is a red candle. We have a red candle. Um, yeah, in my strategy sometimes I use backtesting. So same patterns will be created. So with the help of the strategy, I will have patterns. These patterns, you can find them already created by the market, or if, for example, uh, the indicators that I use are telling me something is going to happen. So by the way, I don't use like Bollinger Bands. I don't use the parameters or the rules from the description that you can find on the internet about Bollinger Bands. But yeah, but if I'm trying to use my Bollinger Bands with my own strategy, I do it like yeah, I do it with my own. So I have own parameters, own rules. So looking at the, for example, here, looking at the market, looking at what's happening, looking at this candle. Yeah, this one was a good signal over here. Unfortunately, I wasn't online in this period of time, but in order to be successful in trading uh, binary options, you need to be uh, waiting for signals all the time. You need to use good strategies. That's my advice. Use good strategies. Knowledge is your key. I repeat, knowledge is your key. So yeah, another win. I'm not hearing sound, so yeah, I'm not hearing sound, unfortunately. So as I was saying, knowledge is your king, or your key. Sorry. So You need knowledge. You need to have a good strategy. Keep learning, learn trading. Trust me, trading is profitable. There's a lot of people that will make it harder for you, that will tell you that you can't, or you won't make money with trading. But trust me, you can do it. I did it. I'm talking with experience here. I'm self-taught. I'm talking with experience. Um, this one is going up. Trust me, it's going up. Let's look. Um, yeah. So last minutes. Yeah, as predicted, $172. I guess it's the moment where should I trade with more? Oh, let's open. Yeah. Let's open trades with $400. So let's put $400. Um, so look what's happening here. This one is 100% going up. I already. So sometimes you need to look at what happened previously. So with the strategy, everything will be clear. So the strategy is in the description below. If you are interested, you can learn it. There's a course in the description. I invite you to go take a look at the strategy. And remember, please, I'm not a financial advisor. I will teach you what I learned over the years. I'm not a financial advisor. These videos, all the videos on this channel are not a guarantee for you to make millions or make money with your trading. This is a simulation of what is possible to be done with trading with a good strategy. But yeah. Um, so if you want to be successful with trading, yeah, you need to take the long road. There is no shortcuts. Trust me, there's no shortcuts. Let's take a look. Yeah, here you will see some flips, something flipping, um, market taking a turn. But trust me, I still have more candles. So as I was saying, there's plenty of opportunities in your trading journey, in trading binary options, in trading forex, but you need to do it the right way. All right, you need to do it the right way. You may find people telling, uh, uh, proposing to you, or yeah, proposing to you to sell you some signals. Yeah, they will try to sell you some signals. They will try to act like mentors. I don't know. Trust me, no one is a mentor in this world. You need to do the hard work by yourself. Yeah, me, I'm selling my course. The course, in the course, I will teach you everything I learned over the years. So I spent more than 10 years trading different domains of trading. But trust me, you can do it by yourself. Also, you can spend also 10 years if you are not interested. Not 10 years, but you will spend more time. But the course will give you some the course will summarize um the road. Yeah. All right, let's open a short position. So the course will in the course I will teach you things that over time you will learn. But yeah, it will take you some time. So the course will explain everything. I will explain also the strategy that I use on my trading. Yeah, the strategy, for example, here, the strategy, I'll use the indicators. There's plenty of indicators explained in the course. The chart patterns, used also in my strategies. Yeah, this indicators, the RSI, the 10 period, the 10 period RSI. Yeah, so as expected, making another $333. So yeah, another $333 or $44. Sorry, $344. All right. Let's say that Yeah, there is a flip here. So yeah. All right. 100%. This one is going up. Trust me, this one is going up. If this one was up, this one is up, and I'm making another. Oh, just wait for it. Just give it time. So sometimes you find cases like this. So I'm losing here. As you can see, I'm losing. Trust your strategy. Please trust your strategy. Wait for it. Wait for it. Yeah. So look, it's flipping, right? The last seconds, it's flipping. Yeah, $344. I believe that I can do more. So also you need to choose. Sorry, you need to choose a good platform, trading platform or broker, because trust me, iqoption will give you really hard time to let you withdraw your money. It's not that easy. Believe me, it's not that easy to withdraw your money from iqoption. iqoption is not the best platform. They have the worst client support or the worst support, and yeah, it's not the best. So my first advice is to look for the best, or the look for the platform, the broker. Do your own research and find the best one before trading with any broker, because for example, in the case of so yeah, this one is going down. All right, this one is going up, or sorry, this one is the last. This is the last trade. This is the last candle. So um yeah, this is the last candle. So I had my, so me from this point to this point, we had something like 9 candles. So yeah, as expected, 9 candles. Fortunately, um we made enough money today. I will yeah, let's take this one. Also, this one is going down. And yeah, once I will find another signal, I will share it with you, beautiful people. Yeah, let's take this one. All right, goodbye.